gap of 2 years, we are back again. And आप सबको पता ही होगा कि हम लोग एग्जीबिशंस कर रहे हैं इतने सालों से, तो फिर से शुरू करने का मौका मिला. एंड इस बारी का कॉन्सेप्ट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. इसका नाम है द फेस्टिव लेन. फेस्टिव लेन में वी वांट ऑल द फेस्टिविटी जो पूरे 2 साल में लैकिंग थी वो अभी दोबारा से वापस आ गई है. सो बहुत सारे बच्चे और द यंगस्टर्स, यू कैन से द यंगर क्राउड has come up with so much of work that they've done during the pandemic that it's amazing. They've come up with wonderful work, like you know कोई tie dye कर रहा है, तो कोई fashion designing कर रहा है, कोई bakery कर रहा है, तो कोई shoes कर रहा है, painting कर रहा है, कोई resin work से काम कर रहा है. So there is so much that has come up in this exhibition. तो हमने सोचा कि it's very important that we do an exhibition कि उनका talent जो है वो बाहर निकल के आए. So and the other thing is जो हमारे पुराने exhibitors हैं उनको भी मौका मिले कि वो दोबारा से participate करना शुरू करें, क्योंकि सब डर गए हैं पर वो निकलना भी चाहते हैं. थोड़ी एक्टिविटी जो है बिल्कुल कम हो गई है. इसी वजह से ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया गया है जिसके अंदर वी ऑल आर टुगेदर इन दिस सो दैट थोड़े बड़े लोग भी आ सके. इसका मोटिव माउंट व्यू में करने का ये था कि नॉर्मली तो आपको पता ही है कि हम हॉल्स में करते हैं, ताज और इधर उधर मैरियट वगैरह में करते हैं, बट इस टाइम हम लोगों ने वेन्यू चेंज करा है, लॉन्स में कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा लोगों को सामान देखने का, बिकॉज अबाउट 50 स्टॉल्स हैं. पार्टिसिपेंट्स तो 50 होंगे ही, ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. तो उसका ये मकसद था कि सारों का जो चीज़ है जो उन्होंने डिस्प्ले करी है वो बड़े आराम से देखी जाए, वो ना हो. बिकॉज मैंने थोड़ा देखा है पास्ट की एग्जीबिशंस में, मैंने जो देखा है उसमें चलने की जगह भी नहीं होती है. स्टॉल्स इतने पास लगे होते हैं कि मूवमेंट बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती है, और मास्क नहीं पहने लोगों ने. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट एटलीस्ट हम फ्रीली मूव कर सकें. तो इसीलिए लॉन्स का कॉन्सेप्ट रखा ताकि आराम से एक बहुत अच्छी फेस्टिव लुक आए एग्जीबिशन के अंदर. और इसमें सारा कुछ बहुत हमारे पास डिज़ाइनर्स हैं जो बॉम्बे से भी आ रहे हैं, जयपुर से भी आ रहे हैं, चंडीगढ़ से हैं. मेनली चंडीगढ़ के बहुत, ट्राई सिटी के बहुत यंगस्टर्स हैं जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इस इवेंट के अंदर. देहरादून से बहुत अच्छे हैं. सो इस पर कश्मीरी कढ़ाई, जो अच्छी इंट्रिकेट एम्ब्रॉयडरीज भी हैं, साड़ीज़ भी हैं और एथनिक वेयर भी है. बट एट द सेम टाइम जुत्तीज़, ये वो सब कुछ ही है. बट एट द सेम टाइम यंगस्टर्स ने बहुत कुछ प्रोड्यूस करा है, वो सब कुछ है. और इसके अंदर एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट और है कि ये सुमेर है, एंड ये जो है इसके अंदर फंड्स रेस करेंगे ताकि जो हमारे जो थोड़े नॉट टू हैप्पी चिल्ड्रन हैं जिनके पास जूते नहीं हैं, तो उन्होंने पैसे कलेक्ट करके उनके लिए शूज़ करना है. सो ये 3-4 लोगों के स्टॉल्स में इन लोगों ने फंड्स रेस करने हैं फॉर दैट. सो ऑल इन ऑल इट्स हमारा सहायता का भी ग्रुप है जिसके अंदर भी रेस फंड फॉर द कैंसर पेशेंट्स. So उसमें थोड़ा सा we are going to raise that also, but and otherwise the children are going to tell you. I mean, not, I can't call them children because last time I called one of the girl children, she says we are not children anymore. I said नहीं, वो still will remain children for us because हम तो वो हैं जो हैं. So that is the thing. And so the thing is कि आई एम श्योर आप लोग ये वर्ड पास ऑन कर सकते हैं सारे चंडीगढ़ को, ट्राई सिटी को, कि इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग शो दैट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन with a lot of festivity along. There's going to be food, there's going to be everything that you can think of. और गिफ्ट्स तो इतने सारे हैं जो आप दिवाली के टाइम सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं. So you can have shoes, you can wear good clothes, you can have for your home, you can make your home look so wonderful. So we have everything that you can think of. And yes, I'm also putting up my own stall which has all the hand painted stuff. She's Bahar and she's wearing my creations, and rest I'll hand over the mic to Sumer and then he passes on to everybody else. Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon. I hope everybody can hear me. Yeah, the mic, I guess so. Yeah. So my name is Sumay Bhatia. I'm a student at GWU OHS, and I'm the founder of the Help Me Feel initiative. I want to talk to you about a very pressing matter in Indian society today: the need for proper footwear. So under the PM Care scheme, there's a fund for children who've been orphaned due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the government hasn't really done much, to aid those who've been affected by the economic downturn, especially the poor and those who've really lost their jobs. We want to help these kind of parents provide shoes for their children so that medical costs can come down. There are many physical and psychological ailments that come from not wearing proper footwear and not even wearing footwear at all. Imagine there are hundreds of children today who are out on the streets on the hot asphalt roads of India walking barefoot just to go to school, just to get a proper education. That is the price of education that we are putting today. That is a real problem. And on top of that, think about this. We think of shoes as a basic necessity in life. We can't even imagine our world without it, right? But this nightmare is a reality for over 115 million children today. We have had a lot of support from many people, from local business in Chandigarh, such as Monica's Puddings and Pies. We've also had a lot of support from Festive Lane and Miss Rashmi Bindra. She's really helped us, and she's gonna help us through the exhibition on the 29th. We've also received support from many political figures in Chandigarh, such as HS Lucky, who are avid enthusiasts, and that's about it. It's a very pressing issue, and I think it should be addressed today.
Wonderful. Wonderful, Sumay.
Okay, hi everyone. So my name is Anushka. I am Rashmi Bindra's daughter. But let's just forget that for now. So I and Sakshi here, we own a brand called Picaro, and it's all about tie-dye. In fact, I am wearing one of our own creations. It is a blue swirl tie-dye that I'm wearing. So it's not just tie-dye that we're doing, but all sorts of sustainable clothing. Our clothes are made of only cotton, so that we're not wasting a lot of, So what happens is if you're wearing polyester, it's going to go bad in a year, and it's going to end up in a trash can. So that's not going to help anyone. So that is why we're using only cotton, so that you actually pass it on to future generations instead of throwing those clothes in a trash can, right? And it's all about sort of supporting the local artisans and supporting tailors, giving them a good livelihood, a good salary. It's all about inclusivity and sustainability. And here my partner Sakshi can sort of add to it. Yeah.
Alright, hi everyone, I'm Sakshi. So as Anushka told you, we both own a brand Picaro. So it's basically all kinds of athleisure wear. We have shorts, we have joggers, dresses, all in tie-dye. Including we have solids as well, which can be worn day in, day out, to lunches, to dinners, everywhere. And yes, about sustainability. All our products are 100% cotton. So since cotton can be used, so it's a very viable option nowadays to use the cotton products. So yeah, we hope to see you there. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Soham, and that is my partner Vatsal. Together we run a shoe customization company by the name of The Outlaws. And what is different about us is that the people who are working for us are basically domestic helps, and we are basically helping them, to get out of the entire thing they've been in throughout all these years. That COVID has affected a lot of families. So all these people, all these artists, who are a little, not that, blessed as all of us here. So they get to come up, show their art, show their talent, and then we, give it out on our page or, to other people to see and to buy and to do whatever. So I hope that all of you come on the 29th and, check it out, and I hope you really like it. Thank you.
Yeah, wonderful.
Hi, I'm Akriti Sharma. I'm a lawyer by profession, but I run a cafe by the name of Cafe Hearts Baker. It's a dream project that I started in 2020. And since I do not really believe in the judicial system that we have, so I kind of thought that leaving the profession altogether was a better idea. And that's what I've done. It keeps me happy, and it keeps people happy because I serve food and I serve desserts. So the life is sweet that way, and I hope that I see all of you there. Thank you so much.
We are doing they're going to be nice शराराज because वो आजकल ट्रेंड में है, तो जो भी ट्रेंड में है वो तो है ही है, बट एट द सेम टाइम जैसे पुरानी वाली जो कश्मीरी कढ़ाइयाँ होती हैं या बहुत इंट्रिकेट काम है वैसे स्टॉल्स भी हैं. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट दिस बट इट्स अबाउट एवरीथिंग that we can think of.
No expensive products. This dress that I'm wearing, it's only for 900 rupees. Yeah, and like our products start from 400. So it starts from 400, goes up to I think 40,000.
उनके लिए there are those suits that they can, हम क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा चमक धमक वाले सूट्स नहीं पहन सकते, जो जिसके लिए जो चाहिए उसको वैसा मिलेगा. It's like that. कि अगर इसको बहुत चमक वाला चाहिए, कुछ डिज़ाइनर में चाहिए तो उसको वो भी मिलेगा. We have Bhupesh Saini. He's a wonderful, young talent of Nift only, and he's done such wonderful jackets and what do you call घाघरास and cholis and all that. तो उसके अगर bridal wear है तो bridal wear भी है. It's not just catering to then home products तो बहुत सारे because Diwali is around the corner. तो you can say कि paintings वाले भी हैं. There are few ladies, who've just started painting because pandemic में उनके लिए कोई काम नहीं था. So they wanted to अपना mind divert करने के लिए they've done painting. So we have two of them as such. Monica Vick है, she's just started, and then there is Mrs. Ravi Toot, वो भी बहुत अच्छी Rita Gu, she does very nice paintings. Then we have Suchi. We have like 3-4 of them doing just paintings. सो पेंटिंग्स हैं आपके लिए, घर के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, एंड आर्मी ऑफिसर्स की वाइफ्स भी निकली हुई हैं इसके अंदर जिन्होंने अपनी पेंडेमिक के टाइम उन्होंने अपनी छोटी छोटी कंपनी स्टार्ट करी है. सो वी आर नॉट वेरी हैवी टैक्स पेयर्स, हम टैक्स पेयर्स की लिस्ट में ही नहीं आते तो बट हम भी काम करना चाहते हैं.